Hey guys, let's take a look at Seedance 4K. So Seedance 4K is native 4K right here on Hicksville, and let me show you some of pretty cool examples right here for Seedance 4K. It's pretty mind-blowing that you can get 4K and you can do like any types of cinematic, cartoon, CGI, 3D, and so on. Very cool. As you can see, this is full of examples of what you can do, and you can build these amazing cinematic movies just with AI. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's in 480p. So you can upgrade to 4K right here. That's up to 2K right now because but look at the quality. It's kind of amazing. Really cool. Let's take a look at another one right here. That's very interesting. So yeah, 2K again. Yeah, so it's pretty colorful, very detailed. I can't wait for you to try this. It's pretty cool. That is 4K right here. I don't know if your screen supports 4K. So if your screen supports 4K, that's amazing. Like you can get this really cool slow motion right here. And let's take a look at another one right here. That's 4K as well. Wow. Really cool. Like it's like amazing quality if you do it on 4K. This feels like a game trailer. Pretty epic right here. So 4K. Cool 15 seconds. As you can see, the resolution size is 4032 times 1728 4K. It's amazing that you can recreate this just by text to video prompt with Seedance. And let's see another one right here. So Army of Red Ants right here. Really cool stuff. Let's see another one. Like very cinematic. This is that was not okay. I want to see a lot more actions. It's 4K. So imagine driving around Jupiter, the ring right here. It's kind of amazing. You can visualize this. I saw another one. It's pretty cool. This one too. Really cool. Let's take a look at another one right here. Wow. Really, really cool. You can get the prompt here if you want to recreate. And look at this. It's just amazing actions. This is all made with you can make your own movie right here. That's really, really cool. Just show you some examples. Oh, wow. That's a black hole. That's a black hole. Wow. Wow. That's cool. Let's see some cartoon CGI right here at 4K.
Okay, today's the day. I can feel it in my fur.
Wait, the lost chamber? It's real!
Whoa! Last one there hatches a rotten egg.
Was it important?
Okay, today's the day.
Wow, really, really cool. You can make like cartoon, Toy Story, Pixar, kind of like, it looks kind of like a game trailer. This one, like right here. Let's see this one. This is cool. Epic. I want to see this one as well. That looks pretty cool. Very colorful. Wow. That looks like a new game that is coming out. What is this? It's 4K. Let's take a look at some of other examples right here. That is so action. Oh, look at this one. It's a really cool style. Cool. Let's see some Hollywood movies. You can see the prompt right here. There's some a reference in here. That's really cool. That looks like it's made of a really cool movie. It's like a game. Like amazing stuff. Amazing visuals. That's 4K right here. 11 seconds. Really cool. And let's take a look at some more examples. So that's like in the snow. Let's see. You can also do documentary as well. As you can see this. Just a documentary if you want to do documentary. pretty epic. And a Seedance 2.5 is coming out soon. Amazing. I can't imagine like you generate with 4K and then your prompt looks terrible, and there's like errors, artifacts in the video. That costs a lot. Like a lot of credits. I think it's 330 credits for 15 seconds. You know, the only thing I'm waiting now is like a Netflix for AI movies. That would be so super cool. Like people can watch and you know vibe direct. So write the prompt that they want to see, what kind of movie they want, and they they could be in playing in a movie. Oh, really cool. Uh, that's just amazing. Wow, cool. So Seedance 2.5 is coming out soon with 30 up to 30 seconds video generation. So it's gonna be more epic than that. As you can see, it's really cool. These are examples what you can do with Seedance 2.0. Cool. I kind of feel short. Probably you will have to combine couple of things together, couple of clicks together to make the clips longer. Really, really cool. You can see there's some cartoon right here. 3D
Come on,
animated.
little buddy. You've got this.
But it's so high.
I've got you. Ready?
So sharp.
3, 2.
Again, let's go again.
Come on.
4K was really sharp. Let's take a look at this. Really cool. These are some pretty cool movies. Cool. I can't wait for 30 seconds. It must be super, super good. Let's take a look at this one. Looks like Halo. Okay, so really cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. This must be like really cool upgrade. That's the prompt. Like the audio is like in perfect sync, you know. So let's take a look at another one. Let me go down a little bit right here. This is kind of like a game trailer you can make as well. pretty cool. So thank you. So you can grab yours here on Hicksville. Please give a like and subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos. Get yours now with my link below in the video description. You can get unlimited by doing right here, unlimited until July 17th for Seedance 2.0 mini, 2.0 fast, and that's up to 15 seconds per video at no extra cost. So I've generated a ton of video right here, and I've saved a lot of credits. So as you can see, I saved 766.88 in total savings by using unlimited, and I have generated 494 credits, generation of Clean 3.0, 53 enhanced Seedance 2.0 fast, which was free, unlimited. And these ones are limited also with your flat plan. So please give a like and subscribe to this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.